Alright, so what I do sometimes and what I like to do is take this and really it just needs to come up so far. Like this bend here, come here, here, and then probably down here. And then I just cut off like this here, I just take a piece of metal and weld that on and then bring this way. Unless we can come here and I can stop here.
Okay, so we're gonna attach up in here somewhere.
Yeah, up in here.
Just up a little ways,
Yeah.
and you want to be able to bend this.
Here, 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 and then here. So what I like to do, Ray, is take a piece like this, flatten it out, and then bend it. And then you can go off of this. You see what I'm saying? That's what I do a lot of times when I'm doing, you know, I normally have the hammer and whatever, my stuff, you know. So, and back there, I'm just gonna weld new metal in. I'm not gonna worry about back there. You get what I'm saying?
Well, we want to cut this out here though, right? Cut that off, and then, well, we'll cut it down across here.
I don't know you was gonna try to help me fix it today. Now, I was
Is
just,
that what we're doing?
I was just gonna have you bend the piece, but hey, if you wanna,
Well, I mean,
if you wanna do it, that's up to you. You know, I don't
kind
wanna
of
take your whole day in your shop away.
This is fun. This
I'm a
is fun.
fabricator, man of mine, I'm telling you.
I ain't the best, but I mean,
That's all right.
it's if we can play with it and we can try to do what we got to do.
All right. Well, let's start with a piece with some vice grips then. Or something for me to straighten this out. Little hammer and dolly.
We'll cut it along there.
I'm here today. What you say the name of your shop is here?
Busted Knuckle Garage.
Busted Knuckle Garage. All right, with my man Ray. We're trying to work on this. Well, we're not trying. We're gonna work on this 70 Wildcat radiator shroud. So what you doing right there? You marking out?
Just kind of laying out some tape where we're gonna come in here to cut this off.
So
we'll cut across there and cut here and pull that rust out.
So yeah, so if we're gonna work on this today, then there's no need of me actually bending that because we're just bending right off of this.
Off of that, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay.
We'll take it and cut her across there, I'm thinking.
Sounds good.
And then cut it down here since you want to save this metal out this way.
Right.
And then we'll try to make us a patch panel for in there.
All right. So you see what he's gonna do here, guys. He's gonna cut off, come down, and cut this off there. All right. Where do you get your sheets of metal from? I got them from Metal World and Racine.
I go to out to Palmyra.
Okay.
To Archer Lumber, Pal Steel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You still sell sheets out there?
They sell sheets of sheet metal out there.
Okay.
I bought that before last winter. I bought 2 sheets for starting to work on the 40, but. Pretty much the same. I mean,
yeah, it's the same on both sides.
Like that. We want about, we'd rather have more metal than not enough, so we can trim it down. So we'll go about 1.5 feet. 13.5. Corners look square. Maybe this one. Something mark on that with.
Here it goes.
Alright, on that one?
Yeah.
Here's my big square. Of course, I can find anything that I want. We got a straighter line here.
I need one of them.
We get this in the ballpark. Oh, here they are.
What was that?
On my head.
Where, on the back?
No, I had them on the front. I reached up too far when I patted.
Oh man, and I never even looked.
Get a kick out of that. Alright. Get some stuff out of the way.
So now you see we got that piece all cut apart there on the shroud.
Lift there.
You could draw a straight line, I'm telling you. I am not that good. So we got the brake here, guys. Measure one side and then mark the other side. Yeah.
There. Don't worry, if we fuck up, screw up, we got more metal.
Oh, you'll be all
We
right.
got lots of metal. See, now we gotta get some bend in this. Easy and try and figure it out. You got a little too much there.
No, a little too far. No, that's. Yeah, just push it down a little. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Pretty close.
That looks good. Need me to hold anything?
There. Take a measurement, mark it, try to bend it.
I think I need a break, but I'm almost through with all my fabricate, my metal work. That's why I didn't want to buy one,
It's portable. You need it, we'll take it to your house next time. I don't know, a lot of times it sits there, it doesn't get used.
Yeah.
That's one of them tools that, hey, they're portable.
I just run out if I need something. But yeah, I started to buy one, but I'm like, I ain't got much more to do as far as fabricating, with my vehicles. So.
Where everything is, but pretty clear. I mark shit on either side where I measure.
There you go.
Now, I don't do this all the time, so I have to stop and think.
Let me see how far I'm off here. You see what I'm saying? When you use
Oh yeah,
that-
what you did.
Yeah, I'm just saying,
Yeah, it's another way. I kind of like to try to go off the
original
piece
pattern.
when I'm
Yeah.
cutting it out, because then it kind of, once I cut it out, then I know what I got to kind of make put back in.
Exactly. So now this is going to get bent down.
Down. And that bends up, so it's got to go in backwards, and I got my line on the wrong side. I got to transfer around.
Hey, my man. I'm telling you. So how long you been doing this, Ray?
Trying to think. I built my first truck with help from a buddy of mine. Been here almost 9, about 11
years.
10, 11 years ago.
Okay.
I got it. A buddy of mine that was into hot rat rods. I was talking with him, and he taught me a lot.
Okay.
He was kind of a Cliff Olson. He was kind of a fabricator, but he did it with a lot of nothing.
Right. And
Matter
that's the way
matter of fact, my first tunnel
yeah.
for hot rod, he bent over a telephone pole.
Oh, really?
Started shaping it over a piece of telephone pole.
Yeah, it sounds like me. That's why I say you just use what you got, man. It don't take a whole bunch of tools to do this stuff. That's what people don't realize. But the better tools you got, the easier it is.
This is true.
Cause see, like normally I would hammer this, but when I was talking to you that day at work, I said, let me just see if Ray might have
I'm not sure where I'm
have the break. Yeah, you just want to bend down.
Bend down, which is up. I gotta bend that up. Okay, that's got quite a bit of bend. All right. Just think twice, bend once. Yep. I think we'll be all right. By gosh and by golly, I hope it works. Take my time, done. It should be over.
Close.
Close. I quit shaking. I think we need to go a little bit more down. A little more. Not a whole lot. That looked like.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Now we can make another mark and bend again.
The opposite way.
Yeah. I think we want to cut that and nip that off there. Get that rusty metal out of there. That was part of it.
All right, so what I would do here is try to shape me a piece of metal and just weld this piece back in here first.
Yeah, that's right. Well, I want to nip that out of here and pull the rust up, pull that piece out.
Okay.
And just cut it there, and then that's probably spot weld it on. We'll fix it. That's it. Nope. Well, there you have it. We did something.
All right, my man Ray, I appreciate you taking out the time with me here
You're
today.
welcome. It ain't perfect, but it will work.
No, it's better than what I would have had to use at home trying to do it. You know what I mean? So this is this is good. I got a lot to work with. Because even some of this is rotted. So I got to look at the other side.
Yeah, and like I say,
And
if
I got to bring, and I can hammer this out and I can get the rest of this welded and tacked in.
And if you need some more pieces, little pieces bent up, just say, hey, I need, an L this big by that big, and I can bend them up and bring them to work for you.
Bring them back to work too. Yeah. Now this is good though, Ray. This is good, man. I appreciate you taking out the time.
We got the basic shape in there.
Oh yeah. We good to go. That's good.
Whoa.
Man, Ray, you a lifesaver.
I just like to play it.
That's all right.
And it don't matter. And it don't, Robbie. It don't matter if I get to work on my stuff or someone else's stuff.
Well,
it's just fun to get out in the shop and do something.
You got something you need done or help with today or what?
No.
You sure?
I'm positive.
All right.
I'm positive. I just, I just like to be out here, and I can, with work all summer long, we didn't have time. And now, today, it was like she had things to do with her girlfriend, and it was like, I'm having a shop day.
Right.
It don't matter. As long as I got to play with something, I'm happy.
That works for me, man.
We get a little bit done, and that's all that counts.
I appreciate it. So I save all of this because I'm going to try to figure out where these holes and,
Oh, okay.
where the holes go. So, I still use this piece for
a little reference on what you need for where.
Appreciate it, my man.
Not a problem.
All right.
This was easy and fun.
I want to come and show you, my guy Ray did a lot more than I expected for him to do. I just thought he was going to bend this piece up for me. But I took the whole radiator support out there so we could have something to go on. So he actually tacked it up for me, which is nice. But I told him I could finish the rest of this. It had already been like a 5-hour day out there or something like that. And his wife was calling him, wanted him to come meet her. And so I said, let's go and wrap it up short, and I can finish all the rest of this myself here. But man, that brake, man, if I had a lot more work to do, or I should have brought me a brake years ago, because I normally hammer and dolly my bends, and it takes a long time, man. But man, that really came out good. So all I got to do is cut across here, and then I weld me this lip all the way across and get it looking just like this other side, guys. So, man, it was nice. It was fun being out there, raised. Learned a little bit, because when you pick somebody else's brain, you figure out, well, they do things a little differently than I do. But man, he's pretty good fabricator out there. I love a fabricator, guys. So on the Wildcat here, see, I still gotta get this piece off of here, torch it off, get it off. But this is the bottom bracket that goes up under the radiator support. So I gotta clean this up, sandblast it, get it all in shape. Then I'll put it on the body, on that radiator support, man. So yep, Busted Knuckle Garage, man. I'm gonna have to go out there a couple of times, just see what he doing, see what he up to. But man, I think he should start his own YouTube channel.